الله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
The Quran Majeed is the holy book of Islam, and it's very important for us Muslims all over the world. It was given to the Prophet Muhammad over 23 years in the 7th century. We believed it's directly from God Allah, and it guides us in every part of our lives. It's originally in Arabic, even though there are translations, but we still hold the original Arabic text in high regard. We read, memorize, and study it a lot, and its influence goes beyond just our religious practices. It teaches us universal values like justice, kindness, and good behavior. The Quran was revealed in Shabi Qadr night of decree. It contains 30 sections or parts pare. Total chapters surahs equals 114. Total ruku equals 558. Obligatory prostration side equals 14. Total equals 6,236 excluding Bismillah, and 6,348 including Bismillah.
ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه هدى للمتقين.
Translation. This is the book, the Quran, whereof there is no doubt a guidance to those who fear Allah. Translation. We have revealed Quran in the Arabic language so that you may understand. Translation. This is not an ordinary book. Rather, it is the magnificent Quran. It is inscribed in the preserved tablet. Indeed, we have set down this book of advice, and surely we will be its guardian.
Let's keep learning, reflecting, and growing spiritually, and may the profound significance of the Quran always enrich our lives.